I got a 2022 RZR PRO XP. My shifter broke this weekend. The shifter cable actually broke. And beforehand, it was really hard to shift. Sometimes, it has to be in park or neutral to crank it, even if you get your foot on the brake. And then sometimes when you put it in gear, it would kill the motor. The motor would just die, like the belt was grabbing. And anyways, I kept riding it though. Broke the shifter, and I got it home and I found this. And I want to see if any of you have had this problem before. So I got my primary sitting out right here, and you see this little spacer. See how it's pushed up or pushed in right here? I don't know if you can see that. That gap. I don't think it's supposed to be pushed in that far. I gotta do some research, but I want to see what you thought. But anyway, so at idle, so I put my cover off my bike, and I was idling, and I noticed the belt was spinning. The belt was turning the secondary, and I didn't think that was normal. So I cut it off, and then I grabbed the belt with my hand and tried to pull it, and it was grabbing. The belt was tight in the primary, which is strange. So anyways, I left it alone this weekend. I was working on some other stuff, but anyways, I just got my shifter cable in. I installed it, and I was looking at this primary, trying to figure out why the belt was grabbing. I thought my belt went bad for some reason. I think my belt's good, but anyways, if you notice, see how that little tab, again, that spacer in there is pressed in. I think that's allowing this half of the primary to sit further down and grab the belt tighter. You know what I'm saying? Since it's sticking out here, it's allowing this piece to be too close to this piece. It's a tighter gap, and the belt can't ride on this roller, which is causing the belt to rub on the actual clutch, and it wouldn't let go. And that's also indicated by these marks. I see it was worn. I was like, this is a brand new bike, basically less than a year old, about 4 or 5 rides. And see those grooves in there? For some reason, well, I believe now that's the reason, because basically my primaries were too tight on my belt. But anyways, any of y'all know what can cause that? Why this piece is pressed out too far? Surely that's not normal. And can I just press it back? I'm probably just gonna try to press it back in on my bench press. But then it would, it has potential of pressing back out. So I need to know what the fix is for this. Y'all let me know.